Hi, how are you? Welcome to Total Memory. My name is Carlos, and today, my friends, I'm gonna show you and teach you the Farsi alphabet. Are you ready? To do that, I'm gonna introduce few friends. Let's begin. Yeah! Ooh, yeah! Alright, let's start with my friend Aleph. Do you know Aleph? Aleph is the first letter of the alphabet. He's excited because he's number one. Number one. And Aleph has a way to write down his name. He likes the letter like this. He likes to be like this, like number one, number uno, amigo. And he likes to be called ah. When you hear ah, you will hear Aleph. Aleph. All right, let's move to the next friend. Are you ready? This friend is very special. His name is Be. Bebe. Oh no, this one. Oh my goodness. Bebe wants to give you a kiss. But his nickname is Be. Be. And he has another surprise for you. Do you want to see it? Look what he has for you. A mustache. Oh my God. Bebe's getting crazy. Mustache for you and a kiss. Are you happy, my friend? All right, let's say bye to Bebe. Bye, Bebe. Oh, Bebe wants to say bye. Next one is Pepe. You know how Pepe looks like? Do you want to see Pepe? But Pepe also have a nickname, and his nickname is Pe. You can call him Pe. Pe likes to record people. Do you want to have an interview with Pe? Pe is very, very happy, but also looks serious. Pepe. All right, Pepe, we're gonna do something on his face. Let's see. If you see right here, that's his mouth. So he has his mouth. And then we're gonna put a 3 little mustache on his mouth. Do you wanna do it with me? All right. A la 1, a la 2, a la 3. Yay! He has a little mustache on his mouth. Will you remember Pepe? Pepe will remember you. All right, let's keep moving. The next letter of the Farsi alphabet is Te. 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 Are you there? Te. Are we calling you? Shows up. Te. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. All right. Te also like to drink tea. He has a 2 little tea that seems very heavy. We're gonna help Te to keep those bags on his arm. We're gonna give him a little stick. That way he can keep those tea bags in his arm. Will you remember tea or Te? Te is a friend that likes also to play with you. We're gonna give him a little nose. Oh, what is that? He has a nose now? What is that? What is that? What's going on? His face is changing. Oh my God, that face looks funny. That is Te. So remember, Te is your friend who has 2 little tea bags. All right, let's move to the next one. Say bye to Te. Se. Uh-oh, what is se? Se. Sebastian. Look at that. Very happy boy. Sebastian live in the sea. And Sebastian, like any parrot, likes to have a hat. We're gonna give him a hat to Sebastian. Let's give Sebastian a hat. Boop. There we go. Sebastian now has a hat. Do you like Sebastian hat? Alright, this is everything for now. Have a wonderful day, and we're gonna see you in the next lesson. Say bye, Sebastian. Sebastian. Bye.